Here's how to uninstall plugins in OBS Studio. Open File Explorer on your computer and navigate to this PC, then your C drive, then Program Files. Scroll down and find the OBS-Studio folder, or search for it directly in File Explorer. Open it and go into the OBS Plugins folder. Inside, select either the 64-bit or 32-bit folder depending on your system type. You will see a list of all your currently installed plugins. For each plugin, there are typically two files, a DLL file and a PDB file. To uninstall a specific plugin, for example DeckLink, click on its DLL file, then hold Shift or Control and click its matching PDB file to select both at once. Right-click and select Delete, or simply press Delete on your keyboard. Both files need to be removed for the plugin to be fully uninstalled. Repeat this process for any other plugin you want to remove from OBS Studio. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.